Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot. Congratulations on the purchase of your new 108. I'm going to show you a few of the basic features to help get you up and running. So let's have a look around. The lights and indicators are located on the stick left of the steering wheel. Move the stick up to indicate right. Move the stick down to indicate left. To activate the side lights, turn the control anti-clockwise. Again for headlights. If you pull towards you, it will activate full beam, and push away to keep full beam on. Your wipers are located on the stick right of the steering wheel. Move the stick up for a single wipe of the windscreen. Come down a click for your intermittent setting, down again for slow speed, and at the bottom, your faster speed. To activate the rear wiper, turn the control clockwise. And if you need to use the jet to clear the rear windscreen, turn it anti-clockwise. The wing mirror adjustment is to the right of the steering wheel. Select left or right wing mirror, and then use the directional buttons to adjust accordingly. The latch for the bonnet is located in the passenger side footwell. To access the fuel cap, the latch is located to the right of the steering wheel, just above the pedals. To connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth, select the phone option and yes to add a new device. You'll now need to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone to complete the connection. So when you open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile phone, it'll ask you to pair a new device. Select My Touchscreen, and when the code pops up, click Pair, and then this will complete the connection. And for the air conditioning, you've got this large dial here to control the temperature, a smaller dial for the power of the fan, this button here to switch air conditioning on or off, and then this dial at the bottom for the positioning of the air. If you require further assistance with the controls of your vehicle, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We wish you many happy journeys in your new car and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.